Hello friends, welcome to the kitchen corner with Rekha Tanna. I'm back with a new and healthy, tasty, no fire recipe. At evening, getting bored and starving also, then please make this healthy and tasty recipe. Want to eat something tasty and healthy also? Then please try my recipe. I'm not happy with you all not liking my video or not subscribing also and not watching the video till end. So please guys, for a small kid like me, then please watch this video till end and also like it. So let's start with our recipe. For this, we are going to make today a combo snacks. So we need here, first we'll make curd sandwich. For curd sandwich, we'll take hand curd. Hand curd is the curd where we have to leave the curd hanged and all the waters come down and no water is left in the curd. So I have taken a bowl and I am putting half a cup of hand curd in this bowl. Healthy snacks, so we need vegetables. So I have taken here 1 tablespoon of carrot, 1 tablespoon of cabbage, 1 tablespoon of capsicum, 1 tablespoon of tomato. The tomato is seedless, we have to remove the seeds and all the vegetables is washed and finely chopped. So we will put these vegetables into our hand curd. You can take the vegetables as per your choice. I like this vegetable in this sandwich, so I am putting these vegetables. You can add corn also here, onion also, and I told you can add this by your choice. Don't worry friends, I have washed my hands before making this sandwich. You also wash your hands before making this. So I have added the vegetables and now let us mix this. So I have mixed this a little bit and now for the taste I am adding a pinch of black pepper powder, a pinch of salt. Salt you can take as per your taste, and for little spice I am adding here a little bit of chili flakes. And now, as you all know, I am Gujarati, so sugar is there. So sugar is optional, you can add, but yeah, I want to add it. So I am taking a pinch of powdered sugar. It will be easy to mix it. So please take powdered sugar if you are putting sugar. And now we are going to mix this. So friends, I mixed this and you can see it's so colorful. The water in my mouth started coming here only. So now we'll put this inside, and I have taken your board and sandwich is there, so we need bread. So I have taken your sandwich bread, you can take any bread. And now we have to remove the sides. So we'll take this knife. The knife step, please, if you don't know how to cut the edges, then do under parents' guidance. I know, so I'm doing it. I've cutted the edges and now we'll start assembling the sandwich. So I have taken this mixture here. But first we'll put butter on the bread. So let's put the butter. Done. The next slice. Done. And now, so I have taken here tomato ketchup and we'll put this tomato ketchup on one bread slice. So I've spread the sauce and now on that the bread on which I put the sauce, now I'm putting this 1 spoon of the mixture which we have made and spread it. Done. And we'll put this bread slice, the butter bread slice on this sandwich, and then our sandwich is ready. So I've made one more sandwich like the first I've made. So total I have made 2 sandwich. 2 sandwich are enough in the snacks or breakfast. So if you can cut in square pieces, but I like triangles, so I'm going to cut in triangle. So I've cut the sandwich. Sandwiches are ready. Let us keep the sandwich aside and now we'll start with our orange mojito. For orange mojito, I have taken here 3 orange. So I'm going to put this in this juicer and put the orange and place it. Remove the juice. You can remove the juice anyway. I have this, so I'm removing this way. Orange juice is ready. So now we'll make mojito. For mojito, I have taken here 3 cubes of ice. So we'll put it in a glass. And I have taken here pinch of pepper, pinch of salt and pinch of mint powder. And we'll put it in the glass. And now we'll put our orange juice. And now we'll put 2 tablespoons sugar. So now we'll stir it a little bit so the sugar gets mixed in the juice. And now mojito is there, so I'm adding here cold soda. You can add your cold water, but mojito is there, so soda is best for that. So I'm adding here soda. So now we'll mix it again a little bit. Our mojito is ready for drinking. So we'll assemble it now. So now we'll serve our mojito and sandwich. For garnishing on the sandwich, I am doing a smiley with the tomato ketchup. And for the mojito, I am putting here a straw. So friends, I am ready with my snacks. I have done everything and the time is ready for the snacks. So I am very hungry by looking this. So if you like my video, then please like it, share with others and also subscribe to my channel. And if you give me support, I will be so happy and I will be always thankful for you. So time for the snacks. I am going. Bye bye. Enjoy it.